Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can be seen in quick ads on Snapchat. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to your Snapchat. After that click on your profile. After that to settings, scroll down, and here you can see in the who can section the see me quick ad option. Click on that, and it says that quick ad helps friends find each other on Snapchat. You might appear in another Snapchatter's quick ad if you share mutual friends or another connections. So you can turn it on and off, and if you want to learn more, click on the learn more option, and here you have the whole explanation about this, and you can read it. All right, bye bye.